Hello, it's Celeste here. Welcome to A Crafter's Story and welcome to one of my doodle videos. So today I'm going to draw with, well, I'm not going to draw with rice, but I'm going to use rice as a prop to draw a pirate map. So if you think I've lost my mind, it's like, what? Once you see it, you'll think, wow, that's so easy. And this is not my idea. Just want to put that out right up front. This is something I saw on social media, and I just haven't had a chance, or haven't gotten around, should I rather say, to trying it. But I'm going to try it today. So it's uncooked rice. It's just regular white rice. Any rice really would do. I'm just going to spread it around, maybe scoot it in a bit, really try and get these edges to these. I don't really want to be too particular about, I want it to be a little bit more organic. So, but I do want in my pirate map some lakes, some coves. I want some islands. Maybe there's an island down here, maybe a little bit of a bay. There's an island maybe. So I'm going to play around with it until I have something that I think will work for what kind of looks to be the general shape of an island. I think that's probably gonna do it. Maybe I'll just have another island up there. Something like that. Okay, I think that probably is gonna do it. And I'm just gonna use a regular ballpoint pen. This is a big Gelosity ballpoint pen. Nothing fancy. I don't even know what it's a 0.7. 0.7. So it's very, very thin. The nib is thin, and that's so that I can get into these little nooks and crannies. So let me get down a little bit closer, and if I can get you guys a little bit closer, maybe also a little bit closer like that. I think you can really see how it comes together. So my first thing is just to be careful not to move the rice. And I just want to trace the outline and try and get all these little curves in. Oh, maybe I could have gone behind that one, but that's okay. Oh, around, here's a nice big indent. And then these little bits of rice that I haven't gone around, that are kind of sitting off to the side, I'll circle them as well. But they're going to probably be more like our islands. Trying to get without sticking my big head under the camera. Try and get in here. Okay, like that. So there's an island. Here's a slightly bigger island. Little itsy bitsy one. There's one up here. Okay, now to go inside on the island itself, if I see a space, here's one. It's gonna be, if I move the rice here a little bit, it's fine, not a big deal. There we go. And there, and I think here's a little area too, could be a little lake. Okay, I think that's probably enough. I'm going to just get the rice back into my little container here, and there is my pirate map. So now typography is not my strong point, guys. just kind of putting that disclaimer out there, but I think it's fun if I just label some of these things. So let's say we'll start up here. This could be Alligator Island. So the pirates might have brought some of their prisoners to Alligator Island, and who knows what happened there. Let's say this is a lake, and I'm pretty sure that pirates are superstitious. Let's call this Shadow Lake, because that would make it a bit more shadow. Is that how you spell shadow? I think so. Shadow Lake. Okay, so there's Shadow Lake. Let's put some mountains in here. Like there's some mountains, and maybe we call these northern peaks. Let's put a little bit of northern peaks, because they're towards the northern part of the island, like that. We'll call these northern peaks, and you'll see as you start adding bits and pieces how this all comes together. Now, being a pirate, you're definitely going to run into some trouble, and of course you're going to lose some comrades, so you're going to have a pirate cemetery. And what should we call the pirate cemetery, guys? Maybe I should just keep it simple and call it the pirate cemetery, like this. Don't want to disrespect the fallen comrades. Pirate cemetery. Fallen pirates cemetery. Lord, I can't spell. Okay, there we go. Let's see, maybe this is Pirate Bay. We'll call this Pirate Bay, and this is where the pirate ships are probably going to dock, right above. But first they had to get through the storm of the Sea of Storms. Sea of Storms. So if they survive the Sea of Storms, and maybe that's the ones that didn't survive it landed up over here, but then they could come all the way around here. Maybe this is Mosquito Island, because I'm sure this is an island somewhere in a tropical area. Mosquito Island. And maybe some people succumbed to the elements and landed up. This is maybe why this is called Skull Island. I feel like I'm telling a pirate story as I go, guys. But it's a little fun. I'm not gonna lie, I'm having fun with this. I wonder then if this could be, maybe if they are being chased, they can scoot in here, and this becomes Treasure Cove. And they can hide their ships in this little sort of indent over here. Treasure Cove, right behind. Oh, what am I going to call? Do I have a? Maybe this is North. No, I've got North Peak. Right. Let me put a forest. I think we need a forest on this island. Just a little one over here. And since this is probably what should we call the Black Forest? We'll call it the Black Forest. There we go. Lots of little bits of lots of lakes, right? They don't always have to have a name, but now this is a pirate island, and so I'm going to have to put let's see, they would have come with a ship in here. They don't want to put the treasure too close to the cove, to the bay, so maybe they brought it up here to the mountains. So X marks the spot over there, but you know, they don't want to leave a very easy trail. So let's see, maybe we can walk. And then some brave soul went, not going through the Black Forest, guys, you've got to be kidding me. So they went all the way up here looking for a place to hide the treasure, and they went past Shadow Lake, which scared them, and they said, nah, I don't want to go to Shadow Lake. We'll come all the way around here, past the mountains. Oh, perfect spot. Perfect. That's where we will leave our treasure. So now, let's see, maybe there on the coast up here, maybe there's some coconut trees like that. You know, I could sit here and doodle all day and just let my imagination run with what the pirates might have done, where they may have left more of their treasure. Maybe they had some homes. I wonder if they had a home, like a it wouldn't have been a permanent home, so maybe it was more of they would want to be near water. Maybe it was a tent. Excuse me, guys. So there's lots of little bays and coves and things over here. I already have Skull Island and Treasure Cove. I have Alligator Island, Mosquito Island, Paradise. What about Paradise Bay? We'll call this one Paradise Bay. Well, they got to eat, right? So maybe we can call this one Fisherman's Cove. So maybe there's a good fishing off, or maybe this was where fishermen would come until the pirates came and took over. So they'll call that Fisherman's Cove. Okay, what else can we do? I don't know what to call these lakes, guys. Trying to think what else I could call these bodies of water. So this could be the Coral Sea up here. Yeah, we'll call this the Coral Sea up there. Oh, I know what I don't have. Oh, and I don't know if I've left myself enough space, but let me see. I'm just gonna make, I'm gonna have to hope that I've got enough space. Let me just make a compass, like this, like that. Okay, let's see, the middle is gonna be there-ish. There-ish is my measurement. Let's see, I'm gonna make a compass for my map, because I think all pirate maps have compasses, right? Or at least an indication of north, south, east, west. I don't think I have that in the middle, but I'm just gonna pretend, right? I hope I'm still working in. All right, so let's see, maybe we go just like something like that. Oh, I'm gonna have to squeeze it in. North, south. Oh, gee whiz. Okay, that's east. I unfortunately went a little too close. I'm gonna squeeze my W in. Okay, it's in. It's in, see? Okay. It's a little empty down here, so I'm wondering what else. Maybe I put some more, just some more palm trees, right? Maybe that will just kind of fill the space a little, like that. And this is just fun Google practice, but it's also, I think, if you were putting on a sort of pirate themed party, and you wanted to add something like this as part of a treasure hunt, or just as part of the invitation, that could be fun too. Man, I wish I had an idea for these two lakes, but my mind's gone blank. piranha pond. Oh, piranha pond. Let's call it. How do you spell piranha? P-I-R-A-N. I think it's H-A. If I'm wrong, guys, sorry. Piranha pond. I think that's how you spell it. Not 100% sure. Wonder if I can put mermaid. Are they mermaids? There might be mermaids somewhere, but they live in the water. Oh, but they could live in here if they've been captured. No, I don't think so. But there's another one. I'm going to have to think of 2 names for these little bits of water over here, which will really fill up the space. But I think for now I'm going to leave it alone. I think that's worked out quite nicely. So let me do a little flyby. I'm going to stand up this time. There, we're waiting for it to focus. There we go. It's focusing. And just so easy. So let your imagination run rampant here, because go online, maybe look up some treasure maps that you see online, get ideas for names of places and things, and maybe I could have drawn a cutlass, I guess, and I think it's great. And I suppose the other thing I could have done that I didn't do is, let me move this up and we can see the whole thing. Here we go. Also what I didn't do is I don't have a label. So this is called the pirate map, or Blackbeard's Island, or treasure map, anything like that. So X marks the spot. I feel like my X should maybe be a little bigger. Maybe I can give it a bit more prominence on the map here. So yeah, there we go. You guys have a theme that you are thinking about for a pirate, for a pirate theme of whatever you're doing, whether it's a party or just maybe even something like this in a vintage journal, maybe on a smaller scale, and yeah, anything you want to do with it. It was just really to show you how it works with the rice. Okay guys, well, thank you so much for sticking around to the end. If you enjoyed this video, please give me a big thumbs up. It really helps me in the YouTube algorithms. And subscribe if you haven't already, and I will see you next time. Bye.